Hello everyone, this is Revati for Cat Scrappiness. Today I am introducing a die set called Autumn Foliage. This die set contains 6 different leaf dies, perfect for your fall theme projects. We have 4 maple leaves, the largest one being around 2 inch by 2 inch, and there are 2 small leaves which can be used for any other projects that require some colorful foliage. Each of these leaves have beautiful stitched details which give them some texture. Well, these resemble the veins of the leaves. These are high quality metal dies compatible with most of your die cutting machines. There are so many ways you can use these dies. You can make die cut pieces like I have shown here. You could even use them to create stencils or even emboss your card fronts with them. You could use these dies to cut out pieces using plain white cardstock and color on them, or you could also use them on your ink blended backgrounds. There are a variety of options to use these dies. Here are a couple of cards that I created using this beautiful die set. For more information on this product and to purchase it, you can visit the link in the description box below. Until the next video, I hope you all have a great day. Bye bye.